Give learners a space to journal that you can grade either per entry or over time. This tutorial shows how to create private groups with restricted discussion areas so learners can keep a journal. If you cannot access the Groups or Discussions tools features needed to set up journaling for learners, contact your administrator to turn on the D2L, Tools, Groups, Allow Single-User Named Groups, and D2L, Tools, Discuss, Enable Group Filtered Topics, Configuration Variables. You can combine the Groups and Discussions tools to create a single discussion topic where threads are filtered by group so that learners can keep a course journal. To begin, from Manage Groups, click New Category. Enter a name for the category and a description. Then, click the Enrollment Type menu and select Single User Member-Specific Groups. In the Additional Options section, click Set Up Discussion Area. Then, click Save. Click the Forum menu and select the forum where you want the discussion to live. Keep in mind that once you create and save the topic, you cannot change the topic type. For creating a journal, click Create One Topic with Threads Separated by Group. If necessary, edit the title and enter a description. Then, click Create and Next. One group is created for each learner with their own private discussion topic for journaling. Click Done. Then, click Save. Navigate to the Discussions tool. The new discussion topics appear in the designated forum. For this example, the topics are located in the General Astronomy 101 discussion board. Next, you will need to assign a grade item if you want to include the journal in the learner's final grade. Click the Context menu for the course journal topic and select Edit Topic. Then, click the Assessment tab. Click the Grade Item menu and select the grade item you want to associate with the course journal discussion topic. Then, enter a score out of in the related field. The Post section is where you decide if you want to assess entries on a post-by-post basis or once as an entire collection. To assess the learner's journal entries as a collection, clear Allow Assessment of Individual Posts. To assess the learner's journal entries individually, click Allow Assessment of Individual Posts. Then, click the Calculation menu and select a calculation method. When you are ready, click Save and Close. Give learners a space to journal that you can grade either per entry or over time.